now the task, my biggest task is actually prevailing in the by-election. Because if you see what has happened in the courts, and even our unfair withdrawal, you can see that there's a manipulation that is happening. So what we need to win, because last time when I campaigned, my only promise was, I said, I will fight for you. If you look for my post, it said, I will fight for you. And I fought until the last minute, until they even postponed the nomination board. So I lived up to that. Secondly, there is not enough time to do anything. Truth be told, because we can't be telling lies. You know, so what we'll do when we get back into Parliament is to just amp up the voice, raise the outstanding issues that we did not manage to finalize. For example, what I can recall is the Marriages Act. It's still there, it isn't finalized. I'm sure there are a few other things. There are a few questions of accountability which we need to raise. Even issues to do with budget. You know, we used to raise many questions during budget. And right now, we don't think that there's been effective questioning and ensuring that things are going well. But also to try and finalize projects which were not finished. I was supposed to deliver scanners to the community, they are there, they are unfinished. We're supposed to exhaust our CTF funds, they are unexhausted, I suppose. You know, so there's a lot in terms of re-engagement with the people. We need to do that. We set targets to hold feedback meetings, and those targets were cut, you know, in short during the process. So we'll look at all those things and try to achieve them in this short period of time that remains, because Parliament is likely to adjourn sometime, you know, mid next year. So less than 9 months, you know, to get a baby. One of the biggest deficiencies is the process for challenging, election processes, like the petitions. It's in shambles, as illustrated by what has happened in this case, how the courts handle our cases, and how the government actually implements court judgments. Those are some of the things, you know, that we need to fix over and above the whole things about a voter's role that I can have consistently, that I can manipulate to do my analysis, and all those kind of things in terms of reform. Remember that Zesni and others had put forward templates on what we can do to reform elections. Those are still matters which are before Parliament, which have not been finalized, which need to be pushed to find out when we're going. Everyone is agreed in the House that we need reforms, but those who are responsible for running with it are not. So we need to be there to push it, instead of fighting about colors, names, these funds that come from the Political Finances Act. We need to be fighting.